Okay, we have a Leblond Makino 15-inch Regal engine lathe. It has 15-inch swing with 54-inch centers, serial number 15C496. This machine was new in 1990, and we're going to run it for you. This machine's original paint, and it has a lot of the original tooling that was bought with. The machine has a inch and metric threading capability. You have a 3-jaw 10-inch buck chuck, a 4-jaw 12-inch buck chuck, a steady rest, an Acu-Rite digital readout, taper turning attachment, live center, and a drill chuck. And we're running at a faster speed. What speed are we going? What speed was that? 132. Forward and reverse. And you also have a brake. He's going to shift right now. Once he goes into neutral, it oscillates, shifts, and now we're going faster. What speed's that?
351.
351. Okay, he's feeding right now the Z-axis. And your X, cross. It's nice and large showing across. You go to change direction. That's the compound. And we're threading. There you engage the half nut. Show how you reverse the feed too. It's going to reverse the feed. It's going the other direction. You can reverse on the carriage. And you can see it on the digital readout. And you can also reverse the cross feed. Reverse the cross feed. All right, we're going to do another shift. It's forward and reverse. It's going to go up. 937. 937. Very, very quiet. Machine also has a Jacobs rubber flex collet chuck with a set of rubber flex collets with it. Your tailstock is a number 4 Morse taper with 5 inches of quill travel. This is a nice one. Thank you for watching our video.